My name's Colin Scully. I'm the operations manager at Greenline Manufacturing here in Saskatoon. I've been with the company since 2000, so 21 years. So Greenline Hose and Fittings is over 50 years old, and they purchased High Flex Assemblies, it was called back then, in 1990, and we changed the name about 3 years ago to Greenline Manufacturing. When I started 20 years ago, production looked nothing like this. And it's just little changes that we made over 20 years that turned into what we are today. So as I tell everybody that when they start here, I worked my way up. I started right out of high school, building hoses on the production line. When we're making the improvements, our customers are always in the back of our mind, and actually we're working with them. Are the improvements we're making helping them in their process at the end of the day? Is it helping them with delivery issues? Is it helping them with packaging or just-in-time delivery, line sequence? How do we get better? We have to continually improve so that our business can continue to thrive. We are a very customer-based business, so our customers we're known for, we always get the order out, we always get the job done, and we just have to keep improving our operations to help the customers be successful. If they're successful, we're going to be successful at the end of the day. First thing people say is how clean it is. So to me, I know appearance matters, and it is, especially in hydraulic application. Like that's one comment they always make. So I think it is just the appearance, the cleanliness of the facility. Other things that people need to know about this facility is that we've worked really hard on our quality and our traceability. We have a complete lab facility, which makes us very unique and helps us solve problems. If something happens, we can figure out what happened by using the equipment. It's whatever the customer wants, we will work with them to be successful.